Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind these are general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Let's see what your month has. Let's see. Okay, Gemini. What you don't see is the King of Wands energy, which is your energy, which is, if you are bothered by people around you, keep in mind that, you are in your power. Remind yourself of your power. The theme of the month is, I'll just show you the cards properly. So we have Page of Wands, Magician, Eight of Cups, High Priestess, Ace of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and the Emperor. So yes, your theme of the month is staying in your power, staying in your power, be sure of yourself. Don't lose confidence this month. Good changes coming, quick changes coming. Some of you will be leaving a third party situation, which could prove out to be good for you, because it has been giving you a lot of pain for some of you. There are breakup or divorces. These are not, I think these are not something that will trouble you, because this was bound to happen. So these will culminate this month. New offers, passionate offers coming towards you, different sort of offers coming towards you, changes very, very quickly. Your intuition will guide you this month. Let me take out 3 more cards. The Hangman, the Wheel of Fortune, and like I said, you will have different offers. So I don't have to say anything else. Things will change, your perspective change. Like I said, Magician, Wheel of Fortune, very quick changes. Fortune, for some of you, fortune will change. For some of you, situations that have been really giving you pain, like I said, things will end for good, and that I think things will end. These are the things which you have been praying for to end. You know what I mean? A bad relationship, abusive relationship, and a marriage that was not very good. So these things will come to an end, and then you'll have a lot of options. You already have a lot of options, but these will come to surface this month. And changes which you were expecting and praying for will definitely start happening this month. This month looks good for you, Gemini. I'll take out 3 cards. Tower, the Hangman coming twice, and the Temperance. So what it is saying is, like, it is just repeating what I'm saying, what I have already told you. Things will come to an end. Good things, good things hasn't come to an end for good. Your perspective about the world, about, when you are in a shell, you have a certain perspective, and once you go out in the rain, in the sunshine, you completely have a different perspective. I think all the hurt, is forgotten, forgiven. You will, this is what, will happen with you. You were feeling stuck somewhere. Things will start moving for people feeling stuck. Also, balance your energies this month, because there is a lot of things ending, beginning, things changing, a lot of fast changes happening this month for you, Gemini. So try to remain in your balance, because we tend to lose out, with a fast paced life. We need to really, really go inside and balance ourselves. That is what is required. So that is what is expected out of you this month, because your wishes are granted. Things are going in a good direction. Some heartache, of course, when things end. It's not always happy, even if we want to, because we have given a certain energy to that thing, right? So that's the kind of little bit of disappointment that I see. Now let me take out 1 card from this deck for the theme. It already fell out for you, so I don't need to take it out. Sorry for my dog, somebody at the gate. So controlling your mind is what it is asking you to do. This is the theme. Sorry for that. Controlling your mind is very important, Gemini. Like I said, fast changes, lot of things happening. So Temperance, control your mind. You know what to do. Alright, things are looking good. Don't worry. All the best to you. Keep watching my channel. Bye bye.